Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman, and today we are talking about MassMutual's investment in Bitcoin and what that may mean for the insurance industry going forward. And if you're not aware of it, last month MassMutual, the 169-year-old life insurance company, invested $100 million of their general investment account in Bitcoin. And when they spoke to the Wall Street Journal, they said that they did this to achieve, quote, a measured yet meaningful exposure to a growing economic aspect of our increasingly digital world, end quote. And this was a really powerful statement by this pre-Revolutionary War considered stodgy company that they acknowledge that there's a huge shift happening here. And so it was measured yet meaningful. So it was measured in the sense that they invested, the $100 million was actually only 0.04% of the $235 billion that they have in their general investment account. Yet it was meaningful because very few institutional investment companies, institutional investors have actually come out publicly to say that they're making a commitment to cryptocurrencies and alternative digital assets like Bitcoin. And so many people are thinking that 2021 may be like the year of the digital asset because of what's happening in the macro environment with money printing and quantitative easing and other types of macro trends where investors or institutional players who have lots of exposure to fixed income that may be yielding 50 basis points or 1% or less, closer to zero, are looking to shift some of that exposure that they have in their portfolios away from fixed income and into areas like Bitcoin that are obviously growing from not only a currency standpoint, but are seen as an inflation hedge, like a digital gold or some other type of fixed asset that will increase and be an inflation hedge over time. So we may see in the next year or coming years that companies, institutional players are investing more of their money in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Maybe they're committing 1 to 2 to 3% of their general investment accounts or their treasuries to digital assets. So what does that mean to the insurance industry as a whole? Well, obviously from an investment standpoint, it's a diversification play, but it's also it's an educational process that I think as more Bitcoin investors and exposure happens, you'll see also hopefully more experimentation and development of products on the insurance side that are going to cater to this growing industry and this massive shift to digital assets away from physical assets or fiat currencies. And so that may happen. I think that's pretty exciting. We may see some developments on the property insurance side, perhaps with crypto custody, or you may see new developments in paying insurance premiums with stable coins or receiving payments in insurance settlements in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. I mean, who knows where it could go, but it's all very exciting. It's exciting to see companies like MassMutual making investments in this space because if they don't move, they could be left behind and taken over by more fast movers. So it's all very exciting. So anyway, Happy New Year. And I thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe or share it with someone. And if you have questions about insurance and you are looking to work with a broker who understands what you do, feel free to schedule an appointment with me. And thanks again, and have a great day.